Now control. Let me put them black. A control block allows us to control the actions of a sprite or backdrop depending on some conditions. Conditions means in programming also there are some conditions. Suppose the condition is that if it rains outside, then you will sit inside the room, otherwise you will go out to play. So this is a condition. That means if it is raining outside, then you are allowed to go outside. Then you are allowed to sit inside. You cannot go outside. But if it is not raining outside, then you can go outside. So by using this condition, you are instructed to either stay inside or outside the house. According to this decision, the sprite will do its activity. This is called control, and for this control few commands are there for controlling the action of the sprite. Generally, the commands under the control block are called container scripts. They are called container scripts because they are able to contain other scripts within them. That means they control other scripts. They themselves are scripts, but they control several scripts if they are placed within the control script. Let me show example, then it will be clear. So the important control scripts are repeat, forever, if then else. These few are very important control scripts. First, let me use the repeat script. To use the repeat script, take this one, repeat, put it here. It is a container script, that means it can contain other scripts within it. So you can take other scripts like motion, move 10 steps, take it and put it inside. Then turn 15 degrees, this also you take and put it inside. Now you can see that these two single scripts are contained in the repeat script. For this reason, the control scripts are known as container scripts because they contain more than one number of scripts within their structure. This repeat script repeats a program a few number of times, a fixed number of times. For this, the user needs to provide a parameter in this white space that decides the number of repetitions. It is 10 here, that means the program will repeat 10 times. 10 times means one time it will, in the beginning, first time when it will take place, it will move 10 steps, then turn 15 degrees. This is one time. Again, second time, again it will move 10 steps and then turn again 15 degrees. So like this 10 times it will go on doing the same thing. As it is 10 here, let me reduce it to 5 times. That means now the whole program will repeat 5 times. And to execute it, let me take the events. This one, when flag clicked, this block. That means when I will click this flag button, then the program execution will start. Other than that, it will not start. So when I will click on it, then only this repeat script will start. First time it will move 10 steps, then turn 15 degrees clockwise in one time. Then second time also, again it will do these two activities. Like this 5 times it will continue with these two activities. So let's see how it happens. See, 5 times it has done and it is the final result. It is so fast that 5 times it is looking very fast, so at once it is looking like this. So we can put a restriction on the speed also. Again we can go to control block. Here you can see wait 1 second. If I put a wait in between my script, then you can see it moving slowly. You can put a wait in the last also, in the first also. That means each time it will wait. After execution you can put it, this wait you can put it in the first also, in the last also. Suppose I put it in the last, that means after completion of these two motion scripts it will wait for some time, then it will again repeat for the second time, then again it will wait, then again it will repeat for the third time, then wait, then fourth time, then again do the activity, then wait, then again fifth time. After fifth time it will wait, and then the number of repetitions is 5, it is over, then it will stop the program. So if I give wait 5 seconds, now you can easily view how the whole process takes place. First, so click on the flag button, one time repetition, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. 5 times repetition is complete. The yellow highlight disappeared and the program stops. So you can see that by using repeat script you can repeat a process fixed number of times. Now forever script. Forever script also from control. You can take it. Now within forever the same things I will put. Move 10 steps. Now I will not put any turn, I will put one looks. Say hello. I put back the sprite in again a suitable position. Now I put a wait also here and I give it 5 seconds. That means first it will move 10 steps forward, then it will say hello for 2 seconds, then it will wait 5 seconds. This is the main process. Move 10 steps, say hello for 2 seconds, then wait 5 seconds. This process will now continue forever. That means it will not continue fixed number of times. It will now continue indefinitely, infinitely, forever. It cannot be stopped. The program cannot stop itself. When this flag will be clicked, this process will continue forever, repeatedly, infinite number of times. Let's see. I have clicked. Now see, yellow highlight has occurred. That means the program is executing. It has moved 10 steps, said hello for 2 seconds. Now it is waiting. Again it has moved 10 steps, said hello for 2 seconds. Now it is waiting. 2 seconds over. Now again move 10 steps, say hello. Like this it will go on continuing. Without my interruption, without the user interruption, automatically it is repeating its steps. In this type of program, the execution cannot be stopped by the program itself. The user has to forcibly stop the execution. Now the use of this stop button will be clear to you in this type of script where unlimited number of times it is repeating the process. Then forcibly you have to click the stop button, then only the program will stop. Now let me click it. The program execution has stopped now. Now we will do if then else script. This is a container script. If here is the place for condition. If this condition is true, then the upper portion will execute. If the condition is false, then the lower portion will execute. So for that we have to put two portions. In the first portion, let me put from looks this say hello. Here also say hello. Now the else part I can change it to buy. Now let me put the condition. To put the condition now, from the control from the operators we can take any block. Previously I told that operators I will come to later. So here some mathematical operations can be used to make a condition. Suppose I take this one, greater than. If see a white highlight appears, that means this place is suitable for this operator block. Now this operator has been inserted in this if else container script. These white spaces are changeable, you can change it. I will give a condition. Suppose if 5 greater than 2, then it will say hello, otherwise it will say bye. That means if this condition is true, then only the top one statement will be executed. If this condition is false, then the second statement will be executed. These are called conditional statements. Like I said the example, if it rains, then stay inside, otherwise go outside. Similarly, if 5 is greater than 2, then it will say hello, otherwise it will say bye. So 5 is greater than 2, this is true, this statement is true. 5 is always greater than 2, so it is bound to say hello. So let us execute and see what happens. Yes, it is saying hello because 5 is greater than 2, so it has executed the first statement. Now if I change the condition, 5 greater than, suppose I give 8. Is it true? No, 5 is not greater than 8. So the first statement will not be executed because it will check 5 greater than 8. False. When it becomes false, the first statement will not execute. It will come to the second statement. Now it will say bye because it will check 5 greater than 8. If 5 greater than 8, then say hello. 5 is not greater than 8, so it will not say hello, it will say bye. Let us see. Yes, it is saying bye. Now more blocks. More blocks allows the user to create their own blocks. Whatever blocks you are seeing, these are all inbuilt blocks, predefined blocks in Scratch. But Scratch also allows the user to create his or her own block. For that you have to click on make a block. Suppose you want to create a command called jump. Here you can give the changeable option also to input the value. Now click OK. See, your own script has been created. Jump dash number of times. Now if any user uses your command, and then the sprite may jump this number of times. Now if you use it, it will not jump, because how to jump, that has not been specified in your command. For this you have to make the jump command first, but you to make the jump command you have to use this inbuilt commands only to make it jump. I have used a go to x and y. Xy means each window is divided into x and y, two-dimensional figure. This horizontal side is called x and vertical side is called y. So x and y coordinates make a two-dimensional space. These are out of your syllabus. So to make it jump, I have to define the I have to make the jump. I have to create the jump. How it will jump, that I have to create, and that can be created only by using the inbuilt functions. So using an inbuilt function, go to this location. This location is in values, that I have done, and now it is complete. Now if I click on the jump, then you will see that it is jumping. So like this you can create. This is completely out of syllabus, still I have just showed. That means you can create your own blocks also.